Today we have a 2016 Cadillac Escalade. We're replacing the rear brakes. So let's get that rear wheel removed. So now with a plastic pry tool, we're going to come over here and pop this off like so. Just being very careful since it is like plastic, just kind of go around it. And if it's not in the proper position, you definitely have to go around and pop in each side with like a pry tool in these little areas here. I'll show you more once I get this removed, so just go ahead and pop this off. So now with our little plastic hubcap removed, there's a little groove right here that it will have to sit in. Just for the next person who works on it, if they try to pry it, they'll just snap this thing in half if they don't know better, but ours is here, so I popped it up a little bit and just kind of went around with little another small little pry tool and just kind of easily pulled it out until basically popped it top of the yanked it out. But just know when you reinstall, go into that groove right there as well, just for the next person. So the 22, let's remove this one. So now with a number 13 and a 20 slim wrench here to hold this, we're going to remove the caliper. Very simple. Just two bolts, one up here, one down here, and just grab those two with a number 5. So now we're going to remove the caliper, and with the brake caliper tool, be sure to press that piston back into place. And let's just set it somewhere where it doesn't hang on that brake line. And then now with a number 18, we're going to remove the two bolts for the bracket, one here and one up there. So with this removed, don't forget to remove these here and grease these up. But also let's go ahead and get the rotor off. So a little trick to get the rotor off. So the bolts for the brake caliper actually fit directly into here. So putting those in, just slightly tighten it down just to bring it out, and then we'll go ahead and take these off and replace the rotor here. Alright, so I installed the new rotor and went ahead and just threw the caliper on, the caliper bracket on. So now let's just tighten the two bolts in the back, two number 18s, and then throw the caliper itself back onto the 13. Okay guys, so everything is now installed, rotor, new brake pads, and we're done. Let's throw the wheel back on, and that's it. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, more videos soon.